This is my 14-pound turkey. My baby brining. She'll brine till in the morning. That will make it about, I started brining, I want to say about 3 o'clock, 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon. Oranges, oregano, basil, Lawry, sugar, apple cider vinegar, a few onions, apples. All my seasons, I put like 3 or 4 tablespoons a piece of everything. Basil, parsley, oregano, garlic, ice, of course. Keep it cool. And she's 14 pounds, so tomorrow I'm going to take her and smoke her. So y'all get ready. I have my baby ready tomorrow. She'll be good and juicy.